Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw Pikachu Christmas. It's going to be Pikachu's head with a Christmas hat. Really cool symbol. It's going to be very easy, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. That's pretty much all you need to know, and that's it. It's going to be about 8 minutes, so stay all the way to the very end of the episode here, and let's get going. Before I do that, don't forget to make friends with a like button. Hit that like button if you like learning how to draw. I post 3 times every single weekday for your enjoyment. Um, Definitely hit the subscribe, it helps the algorithm, and there you go. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go out here, pull out for side of Pikachu's cheek, and curve in down underneath here, out over here. Up, in, up, in. Right here, I'm going to throw brim of a Christmas hat right there. Just yeah, like around, just like not too far. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna throw a curved line up for one of his ears, and it's gonna curve back down. At this point, you can choose. You can actually reduce one ear. You can put the other ear over it. But I'm gonna actually go over here on this side. Draw the outer rim of this hat. And right there. Draw that's the brim of that hat. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to curve this way for the top of the Christmas hat. Pull down. Pull line up here for this side of the hat. And then from the lower area there, I'm going to pull down. Popcorn ball at the end. And that Christmas hat. And you can even draw the other side of the brim over here on this side. Gonna go to the top, and I'm gonna put a line across here, and I'm gonna fill in the top tip of his ear. Going over here, circle for the eye. Over here, circle for the other eye. Gonna draw a little circle in there and a little circle over here. It's gonna be a highlight, and then I'm gonna fill that in, and then fill that in on this side as well. Okay, I'm gonna go over here, line across, down. So this is upside down triangle. Fill that in, that nose. Curve line here on this side, curve line on this side. Line down here for the open mouth. Curve, and I'm gonna fill this black part in. Gonna draw a circle, at least the side, a curve here on this side, and a curve here on this side. Right on. And now let's add a little bit of color. He's not looking. We gotta get him to look more Pikachu-ish. So I'm gonna start over here with the red of the hat to kind of get that going. You can use a crayon, colored pencil, anything you want to get that effect. I recommend a colored pencil. I only use the marker for this because of a demonstration, but marker is good as well. But markers are great for demonstrating because they're so fast to kind of use. Go down here. Gonna grab a yellow marker And is this yellow enough? Let me see if this is yellow enough. Yeah, it is. So don't forget, hit that like button. If you like Pikachu and you like Christmas, absolutely hit that like. Likes really, really affect the channel here as well. It affects all the, the cool stuff. Basically, it just kind of affects the algorithm in favor of us. Just kind of going over here again, just going totally flat and flattening and finding that yellow here. Over here, just going through. Right on. Gonna go over here on this side. And I'm going to put a pink here for the tongue. And I forgot about the same red over here, and I'm going to use the red for the the cheeks. So one cheek there, and here's another cheek. That's pretty much it. And last thing I'll do right here is grab the light blue. Grab the light blue, wherever that is. Let me see. Where's the light blue? I'm going to grab the light blue and I'm going to throw in around the edges of the Christmas hat over here. If you're here at this point, say hi to me in the comments and I'll know that you made it to this point. So I'm going to put this light blue here along the edges of the white. It kind of helps make it more dimensional and brings a, like I said, level of dimension that normally isn't there. And that's pretty much it. I want to thank you very much. You are amazing. Everybody's super awesome. Don't forget, check out my long Skillshare programs. There's a link in the description, so go take a look at that. And that's it. Talk to you later, and I will see you very soon. If anybody has any suggestions for other Pokemon or other ideas on the channel, I'll absolutely get them done. Just got to let me know, and I will totally make that happen, all right? Talk to you later. I'll see you next time. I'll say hi to me in the comments. I will say hi back, okay? I will say hi to every single comment if you comment. See you later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload. And on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.